I feel like a spooky adventure. Do you know any ghost stories?
What about the haunted sports car? It all started on a foggy night.
Do you want another s'more?
What was that?
I don't see anything.
Hello?
That's Salim's car.
But where's Salim?
We need to stop that car!
Let's build something to trap it.
Yeah, like a horse corral.
Here, little sports car. Come inside this fun corral.
Awesome, we got the car! That car is haunted.
Run!
It's a ghost!
It's just me.
Salim!
We have to run. Your car is haunted.
It's not a ghost. It's just a remote control. Pretty cool, huh? Yes!
Was that spooky enough?
Only if the car was really haunted.